Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody would like to put this, what he's calling a plant lady, into this lattice work. I'm going to modify this a little bit because this is about the only way I know really how to do it. I'm going to bring this up and have it come into right there because I want to close off that gap, and I think it looks just as good. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And what that did, that gave me a new item. And I can get rid of this one. Then I nudge this one back over. And I'm going to go, the only way I can figure this out, and it might not be the best way, I'm going to go to Effects and Contour, just 0.05 to the outside. Well, maybe I did the inside. No, it's got some interior. That's work. Go up to Object, break the contour part, grab the contour, move it over, go up to Object, break the curve apart, grab the contour. I'm going to make it red so we can tell the difference, and then move it over. And then I get rid of all this stuff. Now I'm going to make the contour black for a second and move it over here. And I am going to weld this. That took out this hole. So now the lattice work, well, it didn't do exactly what I wanted. You know, I altered his lattice work. He just had cubes. Well, I think that'll work. I think that's what I need to do. I think that's perfect. Because now I can bring in my lady, but nothing's going to hold that. So we're good on parts of it. You know, we might have to, let me back up here. I'm going to alter his drawing a little bit to get rid of some of this leakage. Because that, I think, is what maybe causing me a problem. So nowhere else can it get inside. So I'm going to Smart Fill it, and that'll fix that. That looks pretty good. I'm going to left click, right click, and move that over. This is a little confusing. And then I'm going to contour to the outside. Okay. Go up to Object, break contour apart, grab our contour, move it over, and see we got that garbage. Now you could delete all this garbage. You know, well, one, you got to go up to Object and break the curve apart. But I find it easier to just grab the outside, move it over, and then delete that. Now I'm going to take this contour and I'm going to put it into our lattice work, and I'm going to weld it together. Now you see what's going to happen if I take the Smart Fill tool. It's going to fill in that part, which is kind of good. Now this may be not how he wants it, but this is the only way I could figure out. So now we need to kind of bridge the gap to make it, because if you cut this out, the black lines are going to fall out. And we also got to think about the, you know, this isn't being filled in, it's these lines. So we need to kind of bridge the gap. And I'm only going to do like 4 structurally. I don't care. I'm going to take that away. See, now, if we just do 1, it's not structural, but the plant lady now is inside there. And if we move it over, and if we left click, I didn't get all my colors on the screen, that would cut out and stay together. But we need, well, you know what, structurally, well, take it back. You know what? I think I did it. Because if we left click, right click, you can definitely see the plant lady. There's how it's getting into the plant lady. And we can kind of test it by, doing stuff like this. This is the part that's going to fall out. And so I didn't realize it was going to be that easy. Now, for the one I'm doing it for, I altered you had cubes. I had to make the lattice, so I didn't curve the top. And so that's why it looks different. But if you do that, I was thinking I was going to have to cut more cuts to make it not fall out. But all that, this is going to hold it all together. Anyway, I hope that helped. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.